In November 1970, in a remote Norwegian valley, a place rarely visited by people, a place known as Isdal, the Ice Valley. The fog was thick, the air was cold, and the silence heavy. There, mountain hikers discovered the body of a woman. Her body was burned, so badly that her facial features were unrecognizable. But the real shock was not how she died. The shock was her total absence. No ID card, no fingerprints, no name. Every label on her clothes had been carefully cut out. Every serial number on her belongings was deliberately removed, as if someone had said, "This woman never existed." The woman was lying among the rocks, far from any road, far from any house. The police noticed strange details immediately. Severe burns, no signs of struggle, no scattered blood, no evidence of another person. Near the body they found an empty bottle of sleeping pills, a few small personal items, and nothing that revealed her past life. The official report stated, death likely caused by suicide. But even the investigators were not convinced. Who plans a suicide and erases their identity first? And who chooses a place so hard to reach, only to disappear without a trace? Days later, a discovery changed everything. At the train station in the city of Bergen, 2 abandoned suitcases were found. When they were opened, another world appeared. Inside the suitcases, wigs in different colors and styles, sunglasses, elegant clothing, currencies from several European countries, a small notebook filled with symbols, no names, no addresses, not a single photograph. The notebook was the most dangerous item. When the symbols were analyzed, they turned out to be coded travel routes. This woman was never settled. She was constantly moving, city after city, country after country, with precision, as if following a plan. The investigation revealed something disturbing. The woman had used at least 8 fake identities, each with a different name, a different nationality, a different passport. Hotel employees described her similarly. She was elegant, polite, fluent in several languages, but she was isolated. And she always requested a room with a balcony. Why the balcony? Was she watching or waiting? She didn't behave like a tourist, but like someone on a mission. Suddenly, the case changed direction. Files were closed, reports disappeared, witnesses were told to remain silent. Years later, journalists uncovered a disturbing truth. At the time of her death, NATO was conducting secret missile tests near the area. Witnesses claimed the woman had been seen observing military facilities. And here, the case entered dangerous territory. Was she a spy? And if so, for whom? Theories that will not be buried. Suicide? Illogical. With all this planning? Murder, but without evidence and without suspects? Espionage? The strongest theory. It explains multiple identities, the codes, the constant movement, the government's silence, yet no official document has ever been released. More than 50 years have passed, and still, no name, no family, no complete truth. A woman who lived without an identity and died without one, as if history itself decided to erase her. And the question remains echoing in Isdal Valley. Who was this woman? And why did her disappearance need to happen